walking through the wind, braving the weather.
My scent is the ground, hard and dry, keeping my head low, avoiding the sky. I'm blooming loudly, a field of red rose,
A perfume of summer that everyone knows. Floating on clouds, high and bright, I chase the sun, you hide in the night. But the wind changed directions today and blew all the distance away.
suddenly the earth meets the air. It's a collision, a beautiful crash. Your sweet floral fire, my dry wood and ash.
When we mix together, the storm starts to sing. More than a fragrance, it changes everything.
Whoa.
Let it rain, let it burn, let it rain, let it burn, let it rain, let it burn. They said we don't match, oil and water.
But chemistry doesn't do what it ought to.
Now I smell like you, and you smell like me. While